Hi everybody! A corrupted video file can be a major setback, whether it's a personal memory or a professional project. Today, we are going to walk through how to repair corrupted MP4 video file using Remo Video Repair Software. This tool is designed to handle various issues, from frozen or choppy playback to files that won't open at all. To get started, download the software from the official Remo website. I've included the link in the description. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac and supports footage from DSLRs, drones, and even CCTV systems. After installation, launch the application. You'll notice the interface is clean and very easy to navigate. Click Select File and choose the corrupted video you need to fix. If the damage is minor, simply click Repair and your video will be finished in a short time. However, if the file is severely damaged, the software will request a reference file. This is just a healthy, playable video shot on the same camera with the same settings. It acts as a blueprint to help the software accurately reconstruct your broken file. Click Choose Reference File to select your healthy video. Then, click the Repair button to begin the process. Once it's finished, use the Preview button to watch the repaired footage within the app. It's always best to verify the results here first to ensure the repair is successful. If you are satisfied with the result, click Save. At this point, you will be redirected to the website to choose a subscription plan. There are several tiers available depending on your specific requirements. Select your plan and complete the payment. Once finished, return to the Remo Video Repair app. Now, simply select the directory where you want to save your fixed video. And that is it. Your video is restored. It is a very straightforward solution for a complex problem. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.